In this video, I want to be talking about how you can send money from Wise to GCash. Now to do this, what you want to do is press on the send button, and once you've done this, you want to select a Philippine right here. And if you already have money on your PHP, you can just select this up here as well if you want to just send it like that. But since I'm using Danish kroners, I'll just use the DKK. So type in how much you want to send. It's important that the recipient is in the Philippine pesos, since usually it doesn't work with the GCash for other people unless it's in the Philippines. Then press add recipient, select e-wallet, and in here you can either do yourself if you want to send it to yourself or someone else. Then what you want to do is just fill in the information, and with the wallet provider you want to select GCash. Now fill everything in, press continue, and then you're good to go. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.